good?
It's on.
Alright. Shift over here. Alright, you good?
Yeah.
Where's that piece at?
What piece? The piece that I brought? It's over here.
I got it right here.
Alright.
What do you want to do with it? Put the mask off.
Do you want to weld it under here? Put like a wall here or something? I don't know.
I'm down, I don't care.
Well, can you do that is the question.
You forget, man. I'm Ron, I can do anything.
Alright.
I'm fucking Jesus, bitch.
Alright, I need to come over here and tell you.
Shit, we gotta turn it a little bit. Shut this off. I'm not sparking this shit.
Hold up, don't blow it yet, don't blow it yet. Just making sure I got a good...
It's turned off, man.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, shut it off because I don't want the trigger to spark it. Worried about there?
Yeah.